Today we are discussing Google Compute Engine, which is a Google Cloud service for running virtual machines where you get full control over your OS, that is operating system, machine type, the kind of network you want to use, that is networking, and storage, which makes it ideal for stateful production grade workloads. Look at the scenario above. What we are doing in this is we are building a fintech platform that runs a stateful transaction processing application compute engine, virtual machines behind a load balancer. User traffic enters through the load balancer and is distributed across multiple instance group, which manages compute engine VMs in region A. These VMs use persistent disk to store application and transactional data. To ensure that data safety, the persistent disk is in region A itself and it is continuously backed up using a scheduled snapshot in the parallel data is also managed in the region B as well, which act as a DR region. If there is a failure in region A, the application can be restored using these snapshots or the disk in region B, ensuring that business continuity with minimal downtime. It used to happen earlier, teams used to depend on manual backups, custom replication scripts, and complex failover processes. And these managed instance group with persistent disks and automated snapshots ensure high availability. Disaster recoveries are built in, making this architecture reliable, scalable, and production ready for fintech workloads or any other kind of workload that requires high durability and high DR rate. So this is what Google Compute Engine is all about. Stay tuned for the next videos, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe this video.